Hi, so this video is going to quickly show you how to basically make a copy of a document or a slide or a form or a sheet that's been shared with you, but you don't have access to edit it. Okay? Because a lot of the times your teachers will share something with you, but they don't want you to be able to change their original, and so you'll have to make a copy, save that new version of the document in your Google Drive, the correct folder, and then you can type all over it. So I'll quickly show you how you do it. So if you're in Google Drive, you're going to click on Shared with Me, and you'll see here, this is everything that's been shared with me by random people. And so if I open up this Google slide, you'll notice at the top it says View Only. Okay? And that means I can't write on this. I can't change anything. All right. And so what I need to do is I need to go File, make a copy. Okay, and you can give it a name. You can set, whatever name you want. You can go geographic issue and press OK. And notice at the top, you're now creating your own version that you own. And so all of a sudden, I can write all over this now. Okay, so if I want to change something, I can. Now, it's really important when you make a copy of something, you put it somewhere. And we showed you in the other videos, you must always click on the folder and decide, which file am I going to put it in. Okay, always important you put it in the right file. And that's how you make a copy.